आज ही डाउटनेट ऐप डाउनलोड करें। डाउटनेट पर होगा अब आपके सभी मैथ्स, केमिस्ट्री, फिजिक्स और बायोलॉजी डाउट्स का सफाया। बस अपने क्वेश्चन की फोटो खींचो, उसे क्रॉप करो और तुरंत वीडियो सोल्यूशन पाओ। डाउनलोड नाउ।
Hello everyone, this question it is given that cosine of acute angle between the curve, two curves are given, that is y is equals to 3 raised to power x minus 1 log ex, and other curve is y is equals to x raised to power x minus 1. Okay, we have to find the acute angle between these two curves at point of intersection, which is 1 comma 0. Okay, and four options are given to us. Option 1, 2, 3 and 4 are 0, 1, root 3 by 2 and 1 by 2 respectively. So first of all, let me write both of these curves, then we'll try to solve it. Okay, so these are the two equations, two curves that are given to us in the question. Okay, we have to find the acute angle. Okay, and that in term of cosine. So how we can find angle? We can find angle using the slope. Okay, so first of all, we'll have to find the slope of both these curves, this curve and this curve, both of these, and slope is find by, we get slope by differentiating equation. So if we'll just differentiate this equation, okay, first change it into simple form. Y is equals to 3 raised to power x minus 1 means here I can write 3 log e x or log x, both are same. Okay, so here what I'll do, okay, just convert this also. Here it is x raised to power x, let's change it into simple terms. If I'll just shift this, okay, now let's change this in simpler terms. It is x raised to power x here. Okay, so if it can be rewritten as y plus 1 is equals to x raised to power x. Okay, we are just changing this in simpler form, and if I add log both sides, then it will be log y plus 1 and log x raised to power x. Here I can write x here. Okay, property of log. Now we can differentiate both of these. Okay, so let's differentiate first this one. Okay, let's differentiate this one first. Okay, for finding slope, here its slope, let's consider its slope is equals to m1. Here it will be dy upon dx. This is slope. It is equals to, let's take 1 upon 3 common here. Okay, so here I am having these two functions, so I'll use product rule. First function, okay, 3 raised to power x, derivative of second function, that is log x, it will be 1 upon x plus log x as it is. Okay, a raised to power x means same function first, and then log a means log 3 here. Okay, simple. Now here points that are given to us, intersection point is 1 0. Okay, so slope at 1 comma 0 will be equals to, substitute 1 in place of x. Okay, so look, if I'll just substitute 1 here, it will be log 1, so this whole term will be 0 because log 1 is 0. So here I'll just have this one, so it will be equals to 1 upon 3 raised to power 1 upon 1, or equals to 1. Okay, my m1 value is equals to 1. Now let's find slope for this curve, that is this curve. So if I'll differentiate this curve here, I'll get log, differentiation of log y plus 1 is equals to 1 upon y plus 1. Okay, and dy by dx. Okay, chain rule. Now here I'll use product rule here for RHS. So first function as it is, differentiation of second function x plus log x, and differentiation of x is 1. Okay, so if I'll just shift this to RHS, y plus 1 to RHS, here I'll get dy by dx, it's my m2 value, it will be equals to y plus 1 of, here I'll have 1 plus log x. Now I'll substitute value, the points that are given to us here, m2 at 1 comma 0, it is equals to, okay, put 1 in place of x, so this will be 0 because log 1 is 0. Okay, so value of y 0 plus 1 multiply with 1 plus 0, so this implies my m2 value will be equals to 1. Okay, and my m1 value was also equals to 1. So now let's find the angle between these two curves. We know that there is a formula, tan theta between two curves is equals to m1 minus m2. Okay, 1 plus m1 m2. This is formula for finding angle between two curves. Now substitute both m1 and m2 values are 1. Okay, here m1 value is equals to 1 and m2 value is also equals to 1. So if I'll substitute values here, I'll get 1 minus 1 upon 1 plus 1 multiply 1. So tan theta is equals to 0. So theta is equals to 0 because here tan 0 is 0. So my theta will be equals to 0. Now what I have to find? I have to find the cosine angle. So cos theta, this I have to find. So cos, I have value of theta that is 0 and cos 0 is equals to 1. So cosine angle between these two curves is 1. Let's check it with options. Okay, so here it is clearly visible. Option 2 is matching with our answer, so option 2 is right answer. Thank you.
क्लास 6 से 12 से लेके नीट IIT JEE मेंस और एडवांस के लेवल तक 10 मिलियन से ज़्यादा स्टूडेंट्स का भरोसा। आज ही डाउनलोड करें डाउटनेट ऐप या व्हाट्सएप कीजिए अपने डाउट्स 8400 400 400 पर।